So today I wanted to show you how I do my eyebrows, but first I wanted to chat with you guys. I've been getting quite a few comments about, oh, your eyebrows are too dark, or they're uneven, or kind of mean comments about my eyebrows, and I was kind of bummed at the very beginning of it, but then I'm like, you know what, my eyebrows make me unique, and they make me different and special. My eyebrows are dark like this because I like them dark. I know I have blonde hair, but I really, in real life, have dark brown hair, so that's why they're dark, and I just choose not to lighten them because I kind of think it's cool to have dark eyebrows and light hair. And then my right eyebrow, you guys say, is higher than my left. And actually, I'm so expressive with my face that this muscle on my right hand side is stronger than my left. So when I talk and move my face, it appears like it's higher. But see how when my face is normal, it's not any higher. So it's just because I'm expressive and I have a very animated face. But I just want to take this opportunity to tell you guys, if you have something that makes you special, unique, different, I just want you guys to embrace it. Embrace being different. It's what makes us all special and all unique and all very valuable and play different roles. So if somebody teases you about different things, or how you look, or how you write, or how you sing, or if it's anything you do and somebody criticizes you of it, just embrace being different, embrace being who you are and authentic to yourself. That's what's the most important, and I'm really trying to, really pass along self-love to all of you guys, because you guys are all amazing and beautiful, independently of each other. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to do my brows. Okay, bye. Okay, so first start off by brushing your eyebrows in the same direction. Then I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Pro palette, and I'm going to use actually medium brown because it has two colors. Now your choice of brush can be one of these three. It's really your choice what you feel like you want to work with. So I'm going to take the lightest of the two colors, and I'm going to first by doing the underside of my brow. And this is just to kind of define the shape, kind of find out where I want to go. And I just do underneath, and then I do above the arch. That's all I do with this color. And then I'm going to take my dark color and do the exact same placement underneath the brow, extending through the tail, and on top. Now set your brows with a little bit of brow gel. This is by Anastasia's Brow Gel. Now I'm going to take a Brow Wiz pencil by, again, Anastasia, and I'm going to go in and define just that top part, that top curvature, because I want this to be kind of more on the dramatic side, and then the underneath section I want to be more defined. Now this is going to really make your brows stand out. Now you can either use concealer or a highlighter pen. I'm going to do both brows, and I'm going to do one in each one so you can see the difference. Kind of outline your brows. This is really going to make sure that that brow shape kind of stands out. For your concealer, make sure you don't get too close to the brow hair because you don't want to go on top of the hair. And smooth them out with your finger or brush or kind of however. And you want to make this line disappear. You just want the brows to look really nice and framed. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys back here every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. Lots of love from me to you. Mwah. Bye, guys. Feel free to check out some more videos from me by clicking here. Thanks.